Okay, we're gonna start with this. Okay, all right. So we've had some changes in our show, and we have a couple of products in Bell+Howell that we want to show you. The first one that we want to show you is, I mean, this is really putting out some air. Do you have that socket in your house that maybe you just have a light fixture in just like this? Or maybe you're like, well, I need a fan, but I also want the light. Bell+Howell is giving you both in one. 5-speed socket, ceiling, fan, and light. I don't need to hire an electrician. I don't have to be like, well, what cord, does this work? Anywhere that you have a socket that you'd put a standard light bulb, you can go ahead and make it into a fan and a light all at once. It is originally at $59.99. We are now at $44.99, and we're on free shipping and handling. I'm gonna stand on the other side because it is chilly and it's a customer pick. Chad Allen is here with us, our Bell+Howell guy for many, many years.
Nicole.
Look how handsome you look. I like this top on you.
Thank you. I used to have the host stand on this side because it is so cold.
No, it's very cold. I'm gonna let you stand up.
It's already blowing, as you can see. This is the 5-speed version. Hi, everybody. You probably have seen this. If you haven't, stay with us for just a minute. I'm sure you'll be convinced because it's super easy. But if you've ever seen this, it's usually the 3-speed version. This is HSN. This is the deluxe 5-speed version. That's the big difference. You get your remote, I'm gonna put that pinwheel down. You get your remote control included. So you have 5 speeds and then 3 levels of light. So you have 3 different brightness settings. But when you get it home, I'm gonna turn that off so the blades will stop, and then I'm gonna show you how to install it. But when you get it home, your blades are separate than your device. But you don't need any tools, you don't need any help, you need nothing. All you do is pop them on and they click and lock into place. So 4 blades, they're all exactly the same. They're short on purpose so they don't hit your walls or your cabinetry. And then you pop these on. Again, no screwdrivers, you can't pull it off. You could force it off if you wanted to, but they're not gonna fly off, nothing like that. 3 locking mechanisms. And then you recognize that? That's your light socket screw, right? But how about if you have can lighting or recessed lighting? You can screw this on. How about I have a very special light socket and it's super deep? Well, we give you 2. We give you 2 of them so you can lower it down twice as far. You can lower it down that much, and now you have a really long extension. 2 are included in your box. Okay, now that this one has slowed down and shut off, I just want to prove it to you because we're on TV. You just screw it in like a regular light bulb, right? And so all I do is I just hold the blade so they don't fly, and then I screw it in, and then I flip the switch on my wall like I always have and always would, and it comes right back on the same way it went off. Wow. It is one of the most impressive fans I've ever seen. And Nicole, think about it. Yeah. Bathroom, when you're getting ready and it's humid, the basement, the attic, the garage, the shed, the light and the fan work independently. And so if you're sleeping, you can just turn the light off.
Oh my goodness. I mean, how great. I didn't have to hire anyone to do this. You can use it all over. Gone is the day of just like, it's only a light or it's only a fan. You get to have both. There's different settings. It's already a customer pick. Now we have it in sale price for you, and we have free shipping and handling for you as well. I cannot believe the deal on this. I love that you get the remote. Come on.
That's right.
Come on, you get everything, and even the extension. So if you want it to drop down a little bit, this is perfect. Or maybe you have like a little bit of a sunroom where it's only a little bit of a light that you have. Now you can add the fan in there, your home gym, your living room, your bedroom, all these different places that you can fit this in for $44.99. You didn't have to hire I can't even get an electrician to come out to my house at $44.99. Are you kidding me? And you get the whole system just screwing it in just like you do on a light bulb. 869-591 is the item number. I don't know when the free shipping and handling will go away. I don't know when the sell price will go away, but I know that we just added this to the show for you because this is a deal. And what I love about it too is the amount of power that you get, but I love that it just blends in seamlessly, right? A lot of rooms that you have, it's like, I want the air, I want the fan, I want the light, but I want it to just blend in beautifully. That's exactly what you get with this.
Absolutely. Can we lower the lights for a minute? I'm gonna show the difference between a regular incandescent bulb and our LED technology bulb. You're gonna save on your energy bill for sure. Now, this is white. Most ceilings are white.
Exactly.
That's why it blends in. And I'm gonna show you just side by side here. You can look at my arms, my hands. And an incandescent bulb here is throwing out, this is proven, 80% of its energy and heat. This is just hot. You know you can't touch these once they're on, right? You gotta let it cool down. But you're losing a lot of energy, first of all, and also it's adding heat to your room. That's the last thing you want. Now look at the LED technology. You know, LED bulbs last 50,000 hours plus. You're talking over a decade. but also it is a beautiful, clean, crisp white light. That's great in the bathroom. That's great when you're trying to paint your nails. That's great in the 2-car garage, the attic, the basement. When you're going out to get those Christmas decorations out, this is gonna be for you. And again, if I don't wanna waste any electric at all, I could turn that light off and keep the fan going. That's good in the bedroom when you're sleeping, but really good in the attic or the basement, you know, when you just want the circulation.
I mean, look how unflattering this light is compared to what you have. I love that you're adjusting the brightness.
Yes, I can do that for sure.
And the fan level too. So that's what I like. So you can have a little bit of a dimmer light, a bright light with it.
Low.
It is LED.
Medium. 1,000 lumens.
I mean, it's for $44.99. And the free shipping and handling, and it's already a customer pick. So people absolutely love this because of how easy it is. We all have those places where you're just kind of looking, you're like, it's just a light, it's a waste, it just looks old, it looks run down. Now you get the light and you get the fan attached to it. I love that you can use it in place of where you have the recessed lighting too. That's a big deal because you include that extension pole with it.
Yeah, you're
so
actually
you can drop it down.
You're getting 2 of those.
Yes.
And so I took the blades off these, so there's no blades on this, but you know, this top portion here, all you do is screw that on. If one's not enough for you, or you want to bring it down even further, you know, because maybe you want more just closer to you from the ceiling, you can add a second one on there. Again, I took the blades off here, but all you do, because I know how to, you won't need to do that. All you're going to do is put these blades on when you get it out of the box. You pop on the 4. They're all exactly the same. You don't have to look at like A or B or C. You need no tools. You don't need to call your neighbor or your friend to help you. They lock into place in 3 different little locking mechanisms there. I know the trick to take them off. That's how I'm able to do it. But you at home, once you do this the first time, you'll never touch it again. That's the light bulb right there. You never change the bulb. You don't need to get to it. They're LEDs. And then whether you need the extension poles or not, it's up to you. You don't have to use them. They're included for you if you ever do. And then you just screw this into any regular light socket. It's lightweight. You don't have to call anybody to, like, you know, secure the beam.
I know.
or anything like that.
Or fix the wires, or like run the wire here or there. I mean, at $44.99 to be able to do this on your own. And think about the areas that you have. Maybe it is in your bathroom, right? I know whenever I'm doing my hair and my makeup, we know, ladies, it gets hot in there. Even men too, if you're blow drying, do all these different things, it gets hot in there. So maybe your fan is that great place. Maybe you have a beautiful vanity area where you have kind of one little recessed light and you're like, I would like to get more out of this instead of just lighting. I get the fan that has different speeds, and you can dim the light as well, all the way up to 1,000 lumens in the max of that light. And look at how hot it is across the country. That's why it's so timely for many of us to maybe consider putting this in the garage, putting that in the workshop, in the gym. I mean, at Phoenix at 111 degrees, Las Vegas 110, and you might have a light like this right now. I think this in the attic, perfect.
Oh yeah.
I know I do. I think we all have a light bulb that looks just like this. It beams off all this heat off of it. And then we know the attic is a hot place. It could be your basement that is hot too. Now you have that illumination and an LED light, so you'll get more hours out of it. And then you also get to utilize a fan. Customer pick, free shipping and handling. 15 bucks gets it home. I mean, read the reviews. They are phenomenal on this. 869-591 is the item number. It's a clean look too. It's going to blend into your home beautifully.
Folks, it's not going to get colder.
Not right now, right? We're just in the beginning. Oh my goodness.
This is it. And fans are we're running out of fans before it even gets hot.
I know.
Yeah.
I know. Hey, speaking of running out of fans, we keep trying to get as much quantity as we can. I want to give you a